How to fix calls not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the airplane mode feature as shown. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Turn on the airplane mode feature. After some time, turn it back off. This might help with the call issue you're facing. After that, scroll down and go to General. Over here, go to Software Update. You can update your phone from here and view all the available updates. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. From here, tap on the Focus button. The Do Not Disturb mode is currently turned on. Tap on the Do Not Disturb button again to turn it off. And then, go back and tap on Shut Down at the end. After restarting, check if the problem has been resolved. Following these steps, you can easily fix calls not working on iPhone.